Have you ever walked into McDonald's or Starbucks and suddenly your mind goes blank?
You panic, you forget English, and you just point at the menu and hope for the best.
Well, today, that stops. In the next 5 minutes, I'll teach you exactly what to say so you can order food confidently, like a native English speaker. Subscribe to Easy English channel.
Stay with me, and you'll never be scared to order food again.
Let's start with McDonald's, one of the most popular fast food restaurants in the world.
First, let's learn some important words and phrases.
For here or to go, this means, do you want to eat inside the restaurant or take the food with you? You can answer, for here, please, or to go, please.
Combo or meal. A combo includes a burger, fries, and a drink. All together, you can say, I'd like a Big Mac combo, please.
Upsize or make it large. This means making your fries and drink bigger. If they ask, would you like to upsize that? You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Now, let's practice with a real example.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a quarter pounder with cheese combo, please?
Sure, what size would you like?
Medium, please.
And what would you like to drink?
A Coke, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That'll be $8.50. Would you like any sauce?
Yes, can I have some ketchup and mayo?
No problem. Here's your number. We'll call you when it's ready.
Thank you.
Now let's move on to Starbucks. Starbucks can feel confusing, but don't worry. You don't need perfect English. First, let's talk about sizes.
At Starbucks, they don't say small, medium, or large. They say tall, small, grande, medium, venti, large. Don't stress about pronunciation. They understand you.
Let's learn common Starbucks questions. Hot or iced? Hot means warm. Iced means cold with ice. Room for cream? This means space at the top to add milk or cream. Would you like an extra shot? That means more espresso, stronger coffee.
Let's listen to a real Starbucks order.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato, please?
Would you like whole milk or a different milk?
Oat milk, please.
Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a blueberry muffin?
For here or to go?
To go,
Can I get a name for the order?
it's Alex.
Great! That'll be $9.75. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
Now, listeners, I hope this real conversation helps you learn. What can I get started for you means, what would you like? They ask for your name because they call your name, not a number.
And remember, it's okay to ask questions. You can say, what's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? It's totally fine. Don't be shy.
And that's it. Now you know how to order at McDonald's and Starbucks with confidence. Speak clearly, don't rush, and smile.
Making mistakes is part of learning. Practice these phrases today, and next time you order food, enjoy it.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.